Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video I'll show you how to do a Bluetooth 3 pairing and also a full factory reset on your Xiaomi earbuds Basic S. This also applies to the other versions which look almost identical, such as the Redmi Buds and also the original Basics. So keep watching to find out more. So this is a really handy thing to do if you maybe want to pair your earbuds with another phone. So maybe you're switching from Apple to over to Android or vice versa, or maybe just switching to PC, whatever the case may be. These are a pretty easy thing to actually reset. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your buds and the case are actually charged up. And then take the buds out from the box, in which case they will go into automatic pairing mode. So what we want to do is press and hold the buttons until the device turns off. So press and hold, and you should see very shortly the red light come on. So that means they're powering off. So the device is completely powered off. You hear them, yep, nothing going through them. So what we want to do now is press and hold the buttons simultaneously on both devices and hold it until we see a white and red flash. Now, it only has to flash red and white once, and then we can release the button. So press and hold. The device should turn on, as you can see the white lights there. And then we'll keep pressing and holding. They'll flash briefly. And you'll get a telltale noise, like a ding ding noise, and you get the red and white flashing. So now you can put them back into your box, like so. Wait until the red lights come on to say that they're actually charging. Then you can take them back out again. They will automatically pair to each other, and then they're ready to pair to your device. If you do want to pair them, make sure that when you go into your Bluetooth settings, you pair it with the device that has the _R at the end, because the right hand side one on these is actually the master device. So that's how to reset the Bluetooth connectivity. Let's now see how to do a full factory reset. So in order to do a full factory reset, very similar process, almost identical. Make sure again, buds and the case are charged and they're in the dock and charging, red lights are on. Take out both units. And then again, press and hold simultaneously on both until the red light comes on to say it's turned off. So that is device turned off. Leave it 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what we want to do is press and hold the buttons, but this time when we get the red and white flash, we want to hold on, keep holding on until we see the red and white flash again for the second time, and then we can release. So press and hold both buttons simultaneously. You get the white flashing as if it's in pairing mode. Wait briefly and you will see the red and white. Keep holding. And then you get it again, and a slightly different tone comes through the earbuds. You might be able to just pick it up. So that is it. Those are now completely factory reset. All we need to do is to put them back into the charging box. Wait for the red light to come on both devices and leave it for about 30 seconds. It'll go through, it'll reset the device themselves. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead, take them out, and that should fix any of your problems, such as not pairing or inconsistency, weird volume levels, that kind of thing. So there you go, there's 2 options for resetting or a full factory reset for your Xiaomi earbuds. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.